Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this very tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make money online without having a skill. Alright, I'm going to be monetizing these skills on one of these freelancing sites. Alright, so here you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end for you to get every step that I'm going to be discussing here. Alright, so if you miss a step, you're missing it for life. All right, if you miss a step, you're not going to get everything you need to know about this whole stuff. All right, so you need to dedicate your whole time and learn exactly how I was able to generate this money on my PayPal fund. All right, I got $40 sent to my PayPal fund, though I was having some fun before I got the $40. All right, for doing nothing. I actually wrote nothing. All right, so I'm going to be showing you some website which you're going to be using to make the same money. All right, so just dedicate your time. All right, so here is a graphical view of what I'm trying to say. Okay, so let's just imagine. All right, let me just draw out these graphics and I will show you exactly how it works. All right, so you're not going to be writing any word yourself. All right, you get it quietly and you send it to your client, you get paid. All right, here, all right, without stressing yourself or skills. All right, you're going to be without writing skills, you're gonna be using this to make a whole lot of money every day, right? Get paid. You'll be paid $40 per hour, depending on how you build your freelancing profile. All right. So here is the client by the right. All right, and the tools you're going to be using is totally free. You don't need to pay anything to get these tools. All right, so the first thing you should do after this whole stuff is just to go to Upwork or a Fiverr, all right, or freelancing.com. Use any of these people. They are good. All right, kindly build your profile on this stuff. Okay, build your profile here. Kindly enter and build your profile. In case you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, and keep watching this video to the end, to the very end. All right, so to find the best job, you need to subscribe up, sign up an account here. All right, and you're gonna be signing up an account and you build your portfolio as a writer. Okay, but remember I told you you are not going to be writing anything. Okay, so you sign up as a writer. When you sign up as a writer, then you can kindly head over to Kayla's plrarticles.com to get your free articles. The articles you're going to be using to send to your client. All right, whenever they request for these articles, you're not going to be writing them yourself. Okay, so the first thing you should do, in case you have an account, you log in. If you don't have an account, kindly sign up an account here. All right, so let's just continue. So after going through all that, all you need to do now is just to click on categories. All right, you can see the steps here, but just click on the categories here and you'll be taken to the categories. You will see all kinds of articles here. We have art and entertainment, we have food and beverages, self-improvement and business and economy. Everything, you will see them here and you will see numerous articles under them. All right, so when your clients asks of these articles, all you need to do is just to come here and look for the kind of article or maybe the blog niche that your client is under. All right, the only thing you can't do here, maybe you're writing a scholarship niche, education, a lot of those stuff, I think getting an article from here will be hard. But under technology and the rest, even marketing, all right, there is a way you can tune this, use the keyword and implement them. All right, when you implement those keywords with this very one, everything is set, I think. Okay, so the best thing you should do now is just to look for the best article for yourself. All right, look for the best articles. You will need to spin. All right, so after here I'll be showing you another tool you're going to be using to get a plagiarism free article for your client. All right, after copying from here. Okay, remember that without spinning this article, you can use it and you won't be penalized for using it. Okay, that's one important thing. Okay, so what you should be doing now, all right, so this has a lot of listings. All right, so I think I'll go for another article because this one has a lot of listings. I don't want anything that will waste my time. All right, I want to be time conscious. Okay, so I would love to go back and maybe use another article. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This has a lot of listing. There are numerous listings there, all right. But apart from that, you can see beneath it they are recommending some ebooks you can get and use, all right, but you're going to be paying for them, all right. So I want to be using another article. Okay, work from home business success. No, look at the word count, all right. Some are 722, some are 711, while some are 1000 words, all right. So I'm going to be using, okay, so here is a comprehensive article that I'm going to be using. This one is quite comprehensive, all right. So all I have to do now is just to copy this article, then I move to another step, all right. So take note of these whole steps so that you don't miss a step. Watch the video from the beginning to the end, all right. So after getting this article now, what I have to do, all you should do now is just to head over to the third tool you're going to be using, all right. After creating an account on the freelancing site, all right, either Upwork, Fiverr, or freelance.com, all right, then you go to killerplr articles.com. Then now you head over to spinbolt.com. All right, this is where you have to spin the article so that it will look original. Then you serve your, after spinning the article, it will look original. Then you do some keyword insertion. When you insert the keywords and you proofread, everything is okay. Then you can send it to your client and you will be paid your money. All right, this is something you can do in less than 20 minutes. This can be done in less than 20 minutes, but normal article will take you 2 to 3 days for you to conclude. All right, so all you need to do is just to use the keyword your clients give to you, integrate them, and you are good to go. All right, so just set the puzzle. All right, let's set the puzzle and you start spinning this article. After spinning, then you can try the plagiarism. All right, you can check it on plagiarism. Okay, so it's as simple as anything. Anybody can use this and you can be able to make a whole lot of money from this every single day. Okay, so the article has been spinned. All right, now you can get a spin article, take it to Word, and you do some little editing. Here you can send it to your client. All right, so what you should be doing now is just to check plagiarism. All right, whenever anyone has a plagiarism issue, you can just change some words and everything is okay. Okay, so here we check the plagiarism. Please, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. All right, subscribe. You can see some of them are still plagiarized. So what you should do is just to correct those ones that are plagiarized. All right, correct those ones and you are good to go. Just change some words and everything is set. Okay, you can just send this to your client and you get paid immediately without wasting time. All right, so with this you can be able to make money every single hour per day. All right, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe, please subscribe.